Hi and hello to this new video. I show you here how to draw eyelashes of a horse eye. How to draw fine detailed thin eyelashes. You should forget them. They are important in horse eyes. I show you here step by step how to do that. Enjoy watching. We will draw the entire horse eye in Animal Art Week. It is my upcoming 5 days online drawing workshop from May 13th to 17th. I also teach you how to draw this beautiful cat face. If you would like to learn how to draw this and the horse eye, then sign up for just $10 in the link below in the description. And now I show you how to draw eyelashes of the horse eye.
What we should forget are our eyelashes, of course. I use here the gray, the middle gray first with a very sharp point. So use your middle gray, 233, and let's draw here with the sharp point and a very light hand. So move the pencil downwards over our iris here. Don't use too much pressure and draw here so long, beautiful eyelashes. Some to the left here, some shorter ones. Some are going together a little bit here, overlapping. These are a little bit shorter here in front. And here they are going a little bit to the left. Let them overlap. Let them cross. They are not one near the other. They are changing direction a little bit. And use very low pressure. And then we also have to go in between with black and add black strokes between. We also have shadows here below, so use the black pencil and draw some black lines downwards. In this case, this was a little bit too long, so I used a nibble eraser here because my drawing stops there. And let's add here some shadows of the eyelashes. Also here over the pupil, we have some shadows of the eyelashes here. Draw some black strokes over the iris, over the pupil. And add here a bit shadow between the eyelashes. So with the sharp black, go between the eyelashes carefully and darken down this part a bit so that your eyelashes come in front of us better. And then you can also choose the white pastel pencil with a very sharp point and draw some eyelashes over the gray with the white. But be careful that they are not too white. So draw them with very low pressure. So use the white and perhaps rotate the pencil and really hardly touch the paper and add some lighter eyelashes lines. So here some light reflections on them. Be careful that you really can achieve very fine, short, thin lines. Be careful that you really achieve very fine, thin lines. Okay,
this was a short demonstration of how to draw eyelashes. If you would like to draw the entire horse eye and also this beautiful cat face together with me, I teach you step by step how to do that in Animal Art Week in my 5 days drawing workshop, May 13th to 17th. You can sign up in the link below in the description for just $10. I hope I see you there in this amazing community to draw together with other like-minded people to work on the same subject, to get support, tips and tricks and help. It's always so much fun. I hope I see you there. And if you have any questions, then write them below in the comments. I'm happy to answer. And then I hope I see you in the next video. Have a great time. Bye bye.